Hey, hey, what is happening, Warriors? Anthony Chansmith here. And I just wanted to pop in and share with you a tool that I've been playing around with. And the question that is being asked, maybe not by you, but certainly by people in the copywriting world and marketing world, is how good is artificial intelligence? How good is AI for writing copy? And I've been of the contention that for a while now, that my belief is that it's not going to be long before the role of the copywriter will need to change. All right, and the writing is on the wall, and a lot of the copy that's being used or written for social media posts, for websites, ads, these sort of things. The AI engines are getting better, right? And they're already at a point where you've got large media companies who have essentially let go of a lot of their journalists and writers, and they've actually opted into using AI systems to write their content for them. Okay, so you may not be aware of this, but it's happening. And so I want to show you a neat little tool that I learned about recently. Shout out to Daniel Priestley from the Dent team, who shared this in his group last week, and I've had a play with it, and I want to show it to you. So let's get into it. So we can go here. This is the tool. It's called Copy.ai, and as you can see, the promise is ad copy simplified, and you can compose high-performing audience-based ad copy in seconds. And where this has been really useful to play with is to look at how well it actually can take one or two sentences that you give it that describes what your business does, and then it spits out and generates 10 or 20 different variations of that description, and you can actually utilize that. So let me show you how that looks. Okay, so let's go to, I'm going to do a quick share screen here. Let's share this screen. Okay. Just bear with me while I get to the right one. Share. Okay, so you should be able to see this is the inside look of Copy.ai, and when you log in, you can get a free 7-day trial. So you can click on the link and just go and have a look at it. And what you want to do is just click on New Campaign, and you can give it a name. So let's do, for example, Simple Creative Marketing, which is my business. You can then grab the URL for your website and stick it in there. Okay, and then you can choose what tone you want for your copy, right? So you can be friendly, professional, relaxed, adventurous, luxury. There's whole different variations, and you can test out different variations with different campaigns. So we're going to go for, let's say we want, my style is typically a friendly tone, so we can do that. We can go for relaxed, click on next. And okay, and then it comes up with this list of different types of copy that it can produce for you, different options. And the one that I recommend you play with is this primary Facebook primary text. So this would produce long text that you can use. All right, so let's just go here, click on create. And then it says, okay, now the magic, put in the name of your brand. So let's go Simple Creative Marketing, or it could be a product. So if you're writing, want some copy for a specific product, you can use that. And then the description of your product or your business. And it gives you an example, right? So we help businesses find better, more creative ideas for their advertisements. So in my company's case, we help service businesses to generate leads and sales with better and strategy and case studies. So, you can copy that from your website or whatever you have, your Facebook, page, business description, just put something in there. You can even click on this targeting option and you can specify who, if you have a specific target audience or whatever it may be, then you click on make copy. All right. Okay, so here we go. So now just make a note here that there is a tip here and it says run the generator a few times for higher quality results. All right, so I do recommend you give it 3, 4, or 5 different runs of this, and then what you're doing is you're training the AI and the AI gets better. Okay, and you can just see already just within that 20 seconds or 10 seconds it's already given us a few different options here. A full suite of marketing products and services to empower your business. Find out how to generate leads and sales with better content strategy and case studies. I mean, not bad, right? Like that's already describes what we do at SEM, and it already just gives something that you can really use. And you can even edit these. So if you wanted to tweak this a little bit, sometimes the AI will grab things that don't really fit, and so you can tweak it. Right, and you can then save it. So you can click on this heart for the ones that you want to save. So if I like that one, I'm going to save it. We're a full service creative agency dedicated to helping service businesses sales through a bit wordy for my liking, so I'm going to skip that one. We make it ridiculously easy for you to generate more leads with really clever content and branded assets. I like that a lot. Okay, so better content marketing to drive new leads and sales for your business. We develop new and interactive ways to tell your story. So I like that too. Okay, so these are really, really good. Okay, so no matter what type of business you are in, we've proven formula for generating leads, increasing sales. We can tailor our content strategy, target to your audience, generate more leads, increase conversions. Get in touch with us today to get started. Okay, so you can see this is more longer form. This could go on your, sales page, your whatever page for your service. It could be on the home page. There's different ways to use this. We are service-based marketing specialists, helping businesses to improve marketing performance using the latest digital strategies. That's a bit too vague for me. I don't really like the way that's positioned. Create effective content for your service business with just a click of a button. Tell your story, strengthen your reputation, grow your customer base with high-quality writing and killer design. That's okay, but not really the voice that I'm trying to express for my particular brand. Our services help you attract and convert customers through a stronger presence online. By working with our in-house copywriting and designers, we'll create valuable resources that elevate your brand story. That's pretty neat. Everyone's got a product story. You just have to write it. Content strategy is the missing piece, and we've got you covered. Nice and punchy. And that's exactly what we do. All right. So with a focus on case studies and helpful content, Samsung has seen a 300% increase. Okay, so this would be a good one if you had a case study, a client where you did some work with, and then there was a specific result or outcome that you produced, right? So you can put here XYZ company. You could say, contact us. Today or something like that with a call to action. You could save that, right? Turning your clients into fans of awesome content that converts. Simple creative marketing helps you deliver creative marketing. Okay. So you can see here different examples here, and what you can do is all the ones that you're saving there. You can copy all those results like that. You can paste it into a text file or Google Doc. You can view your saved copy. All right. You can also, as I said, you want to run this a few more times. So let's do it again. Make more copy. Can take up to 30 seconds. It's running through. The AI engine is generating more variations here. Okay. Do you have a list of service customers? We can help your business generate more leads by creating interesting copy that converts, generate a 10% uplift in leads or sales with better well-written content and case studies. Love it. Okay. Now, of course, if you're going to use something like a 10% uplift, you want to make sure that you actually have some data to support the statement, right? But I like this, and this is something that I can see myself utilizing once we have more metrics that we can use here. We have a team of digital copywriters and case study researchers that help service businesses create effective content for marketing and sales. We take care of the strategy so you don't have to. There you go. Nice. Content strategy and marketing case studies that work. Boom. That's a nice, simple tagline. Okay, so you can run through a couple of times, and you see already this is really getting much nicer and sharper. I can do one more run. And you can play with this as much as you like. You can also go back out and test it with different tones. So I chose friendly here. You can try professional, you can try adventurous, and see what it comes up with, and find the tone that matches your own brand tone and brand voice, right? So we help services businesses generate leads and sales with better content strategy and case studies. Okay, that's one we started off with. I help service businesses generate leads and sales by creating killer content that gets results. Okay, there you go. So now you've got all of them saved. I can then click on view saved copy. Okay, here you go. So here's all the ones that are saved, right? So I can tweak those. I can export all the saves. I can create this a shareable link like so. CM what we do. Okay, there's a link. So I can just paste that into here. So this quickly and easily lets me share this with, a writer, people in my team, right? So they can get, if you've got a VA, you can give it to your VA, and they can just copy some of these and paste it into your social media campaigns or wherever you want it to go. Right? You can export the saves. That basically lets you export it to a CSV file, and you can use that however way you want. Okay, so there you go. I want you to give this a try. Type in 1 or 2 sentences to describe your business, and then paste the results, some of the results, into the comments below. And I'd like to see what it comes up with for you. And let me know what you think of this AI tool. Okay, let's just stop that. And I will see you next week. And I'm going to run you through how I take one piece of video and turn it into 18 pieces of content. So if you want to see that, make sure you like my page and join my group if you haven't already. So I do have a Facebook group that you can be a part of. You can join other like-minded business owners and marketers and get into there. And the link is simplecreativemarketing.com/warriors. And if you do that, that will let you join the group, and I'll see you inside. Cheers.